Welcome back to Channeling Luxury. It has been a while since I created a full-length video, but I will do my best to make this fast, like many of you like and like I like as well. So these are some pieces I picked up from a recent trip to Paris, and I do not recall what's in each box, so I will show you quickly. As you know, I will show you what's in each one and what I was able to pick up and find that I could not find in the United States. So first one is a moccasin style sandal with or slipper with some mesh here. They have this in black, white, and then this the gold color with off-white or taupe mesh webbing. And they had one size and one pair left. So that is this one. It's a little bit too big, but I will be modifying it and making it work. I promise you, if you're new to my channel, I do not waste time on my unboxing. It's the next piece. I'm not really sure what this one is either, so we'll find out together. This one is bouncing sneaker. Fantastic color. Also the last one, this particular size. So black detail. And I think this is cappuccino for the color. Not 100%. Don't quote me on that, but really beautiful. The current style actually is leather with suede detail, and this one is suede with leather detail. Probably from, I'm going to guess, the winter time, but just happens to be a piece that's sold in the store, in the boutique. So let me move on. All right, let's move to this year's. Many of you have asked me, by the way, about pre-spend in Paris. You do not actually have to have a pre-spend, but try to go in the morning to get an appointment and ask for a cancellation. That's my best advice. The sneaker version of this, super comfortable, by the way. If you're like me and you want a flexible sole like this, a lot of you do not, I understand, but if you want a flexible sole, these are fantastic. I didn't see these in any other color, but I think it was also a really nice find, and nice leather on the bottom. Almost looks like Valentino on the bottom, but they would kill me for saying that. It's also some of you will recall, it's the same as my bracelet, but the pattern on the bottom, it's escaping me at the moment. And moving on to the next piece is, well, I'll just pick anything here. I did get 2 bags, one quota and one non-quota. So you'll be seeing both of those in this video. This is going to be one of them, clearly. And this is the non-quota bag. So many of you have been looking for this. I have as well. I saw it right away on the display. Thought it was just super cool. So this is the new Garden Party size. I believe it's a 23. Garden Party 23. And I will make a separate video for those of you that want to see a mod shot of this one. I'll make a separate video, but it's canvas inside, does not come with a strap, just a small little zipper and no feet. So awesome gold. This is their gold. As the sales associate said, or SL associate, this is not the standard gold color, right? That we know and love from Hermes. It's not it. It is a different gold. It looks more like a dark tan and kind of with a hint of red. So if you see gold and your sales advisor says that they have a gold one, just know it's not going to be the gold that we're used to, that they will show you for the table, mat, and so on. It's not going to be that gold. So I was a little bit surprised about that as well, but this color is still pretty awesome. So tossing the boxes here. Let me show you what's behind me very quickly. 2 pieces of ready to wear. So this dress, actually, I'm not going to take it out of here. It's silk, so I'll probably scratch it with my ring, but this comes in rose, green, and yellow. I tried all but the rose on, and the green was also really beautiful. The problem with the yellow is it's a little bit see-through, but you know, there's other ways we can handle that. The green was really beautiful on, but I chose instead to get a pantalon, and so this is supposed to be a capri, but on me it's a full-length pant. I'm only 5'4", so for reference, so both of these are in a 38, which fit perfect. And the price of silk actually went down a bit at Hermes. I was a little bit, well, I was very pleasantly surprised, but surprised, period, because as you know, prices are going up everywhere. I think May 2nd, they had a price increase, so that was reflected in these prices, unfortunately. But it's still much less expensive than Loewe. It's less expensive than Chanel by a lot. And of course, we actually have quality. So being the most important thing of all. This is the quota bag that I picked up. So super basic. My sales associate asked if I wanted basic or elaborate. And he thought that probably this time basic because I've been picking up more elaborate bags there. And so this is what I picked up. I actually have a Garden Party in this color. You'll all know what it is. This is E2. So it has the contrast white stitching, which is really beautiful, and the palladium hardware. I don't like gold, especially on this color bag. So I'll just take him out a little bit so you can see, but it's our standard Birkin 25 in E2. And super neutral color, obviously. It's a great bag. And then finally, maybe my, I don't know, little gift treat to myself here is a watch that I had seen in a local boutique. And I sent my sales associate the information. And he was able to get it from Switzerland and brought it in and stored it for me until I got here to try it and see if I liked it. Wasn't sure how it would go, but I think it's beautiful. Sorry, did not prearrange all my items, as you can see. So this is the Cape Cod with rose gold, and you can see, you may or may not be able to see, but it has mother of pearl dial diamonds just on the outside. They do make a much more expensive version of this. You can get a lot more diamonds, as you all know. At Hermes, they're happy to sell more diamonds for a lot more money. But I think this is a super simple, nice everyday watch. I've been wearing my small little bracelet watch for like 4 years now. I never take it off. Probably I'll do the same with this one, and it'll become my daily watch. So that is it for this, I guess, the mini shopping trip. And I look forward to seeing you in future videos. Have a great day or night wherever you are.